Fingerprint-proof brushed stainless steel housing with 6-quart capacity has a digital thermostat. Push-button control for cooking options and program settings of low-high pressure, browning, simmer, sauté and automatic keep warm. Unit has a 99-minute time and LED countdown display. 0 to 40 minutes equals 1 minute increments, 40 to 99 minutes equals 5-minute increments. Has cool touch side handles and dishwasher-safe non-stick cooking pot and trivet. Unit is 1000 watts and has a limited 3-year warranty. It's easy to make entire meals or side dishes fast with the 6-quart pressure cooker. Just toss ingredients into the pot, lock the lid, and let the pressure cooker do the work. Brown, simmer or sauté food right in the pot before cooking, and keep it warm when done. Food retains more vitamins and minerals than with traditional cooking methods, it stays moist and flavors stay true. Top reviews from the United States. I love it. We already had one for 10 years. One of the kids left the lid out on the stove while the oven was on and it warped the top, which is made of plastic with a stainless steel appearance. You will see after about 5 years the stainless steel papers will begin to fleck and peel away. At least if you use yours as much as we have used ours. We bought the new one and put that lid on the old one and it worked perfectly. One time a couple years ago one of the kids put something on the lid that blocked the steam holes. When the pressure built up and there was nowhere to escape, it has some built-in third pressure seal where it will lift and let a gush of steam out of the lid rather than blowing up. We didn't know about it until we heard a loud rush of air in the kitchen. We rushed in to see it was covered and we uncovered it so the steam could escape like normal. I wouldn't recommend testing this method, but it's nice to know there are backups to the backups. This is a great quality product that will last for many years to come. Other than the fake stainless steel on the lid.